Hello there and welcome to tip number 3. This one's the time save. This one helps your efficiency. This is for the lazy people. You've been told before the best way to communicate with generative AI is to chat back and forth. But how do you actually chat, as in not type? Well, it isn't possible on all generative AIs. It isn't even possible on the ChatGPT computer version. But it absolutely is possible on the ChatGPT app. And if you haven't seen that, I thoroughly recommend it. It's amazing chatting back and forth with that one. But I'm aware not everyone is wanting to have that app. So I'm going to show you a little workaround. And this workaround works on all of the other generative AIs as well, Perplexity and so forth, even if they haven't got voice integration. The reason it works is it's using the software that already exists on your mobile phone. This is going to be useful at saving time. I'm going to give you an example how you can send an email very, very quickly. So my mobile phone screen should have appeared, and what we're going to do is we're not going to the app version. As I said, that's super easy, but we're saying we're imagining we don't have the app, so we're going to the regular Google part, internet part of your mobile phone, and you can go to any of the apps therefore. But for this example, we're going to go to the most common, which is ChatGPT. So if I click on my Chrome, I've put the www address, and then we can see, because it's an Android, I've got that little button. And now I'm able to speak. So tap to speak. Here we go. Write a short, polite email to my headmaster asking for permission to go to the doctors on the 13th of April. Okay, that looks pretty good, but can you make it a little bit more polite, please? Great. The headmaster's name is Mr. Johnson, and I am a humanities teacher. And there we go. So very quick way to send emails. Obviously, I wasn't looking back and forth at what it was writing, and you didn't want to be watching that. But then from there, you can be editing. I hope that helps. That's trick number 3, tip number 3 even. Don't forget, it'd be great if you could subscribe and like the video, and that'll help me produce more content like this. Thanks for watching.